We are in the village of Chillerton to see this 3-bedroom property. Located really close between Tavistock and Launceston. The village of Lifton's also close by. So firstly you have a driveway for 2 vehicles. It's entered up a shared area of around 4 to 5 properties. Obviously got stunning views onto farmland. So you've got this area of garden, an extra area to the left which is just having some work done, and you've also got this corner piece. So you've got this area here as well as this nicely tucked in area. So come on in, I'll show you inside. So firstly, lovely entrance hall, and that's obviously your view from your front door. So firstly you have a downstairs shower room. Great entrance halls throughout the property. You've got downstairs cupboard here, and this enters into your dining room. Really good size. Again, making the most of your lovely garden out. So, dining room into the kitchen was fitted just a few years ago, so nice new cupboards. You've got a nice kitchen sink there. Fantastic sized lounge. It does also have a multi-fuel burner. Again, looking out onto your garden just there. This area here, got a bookcase, quite a good size perhaps if you're working from home. So leading upstairs are the 3 bedrooms and bathroom. So you've got this little entrance area here into another good sized space. I'll show you to the bathroom first, which has got a bath and a shower slightly over. Very good size. Lots of character to this property. Great quirky little shaped room here. And again, I would certainly like to wake up to that view. So you've got storage space in front. There's also 2 storage cupboards here. All the bedrooms are very good sizes. And finally, this is the last of the bedroom. So this is the master, also looking out to that view.